Welcome back to another video on the FV4005 project, which we are doing in partnership with Welder Tanks and the Tank Museum. And look how far we've come. It's actually starting to look like the real thing. We've now got the gun crutch, the gun in, which we haven't seen just yet, but we'll show you. We've started to fit some of the tin work, the track guards. I kept calling them sponsors, but I have been told that they are track guards, so I owe someone a pint. Anyway, we have also, watch that, sticking out, we're in the middle of fitting that. We've also fitted gun spade and the winch, which is looking pretty cool now. So we've got a winch cable to fit in there. Last time you saw, we were getting pieces of steel engineered to fit the hull. All that's been done, and that's all now fitted and looking good. And the original towing eyes that I cut off have been fitted in the correct place for this vehicle. I don't have a clue how on earth you'd actually get the NATO towing bar on it. You'd still have to take all this off, so seems a bit pointless to me, but there we go. It is on. We better show you in the turret. Come this way. Look how big the gun looks. It does look proper good now. Right, come this way, come this way. I definitely didn't just skid on that. This is MTV Cribs. Welcome to my house. Right, so gun is in. We are still in the process of getting a few bits made up for the elevation, which I explained it a little while ago. But basically, we've got to get a big threaded piece of rod that's going to go from there and go into the elevation gearbox, which I'm partway through sorting out at the moment. And then we've got to then fit this. I don't know if you can see this. And then we're going to refit the original shaft and make a handle up there, this side, to work the gun elevation going up and down. So all of that should be fairly original. Now, the traverse isn't going to be quite as simple as that, I'm afraid. The original traverse gear went in that hole there, and we obviously don't have the original. That seemed to have disappeared, which is a bit of a shame. So we're going to try and retrofit a standard Centurion traverse box, but that might have to go the other side because we don't want to do any converting the hull. We don't want to weld to the hull. We want it to be reversible, and in time we'll probably get that original one made. So we just need to make it safe for now if we need to traverse the turret for maintenance or fire or whatever. So the other thing is the sliding hatch is on. Seb has got his head sticking out of it at the minute, but this has all been re-engineered by Mr. Adrian Barrett. How cool is that? There is a photo on the internet which I shall put up. There's a big machine gun on the top here, and I don't think everyone knows about that, but I'll be well into getting a machine gun fitted so it can be up here with a 50 cal. How cool would that be? But there's only one photo I've seen with that. Someone will go, oh, it never had that. But there is a photo of it, so we shall see. And I'm going to try and talk the Tank Museum into putting that back on, because I think that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, we're going to show you how we fitted the gun and all the other bits and pieces now.
We started by welding on the brackets to hold the spade for the gun recoiling.
About right? Yeah, we have to come a little bit out this way.
Well, we could do the same that side, you know.
We can.
Bob, another strap.
When you've got the one strap.
Oh no, I'll go and get another one.
Yeah, another strap.
We fitted the brackets to the spade, offered it up to the hull, and then tacked it in place. And when we were happy with it, we took the spade out of the way and then fabricated everything on good and hard.
It's looking good, isn't it? Perfect.
Next job was to tack on the brackets that hold on the gun crutch. After that, we fitted the sliding top turret roof hatch.
Just open it up again. Lovely job.
Me and Jack then worked on sorting out the mud guards, track guards and all the rest of it. And everything was in a pretty poor condition, so there was a lot of welding, straightening, sanding, painting. Some of the parts were new, like these press bits here that Adrian Barrell did. I then randomly got bored and decided to drag the GoldenEye Chieftain out of the way with the D9.
Just reach the floor. Can you get some low profile tyres so I can hit the floor properly?
It's like Baby Hell's Angels.
Yeah.
Before we could fit the gun into the turret, we had to fit the fuel tank cradle that I've had specially made and the fuel tank itself. I went back to then repairing all the rot holes in the boxes and sorting them out best I could.
Bit beaten up.
That's my favourite.
That one's pretty.
Charlie came over and helped us measure and cut all the holes to fit the track guards.
Not bad. I think that box needs some work.
This is the best bit.
Just stalled it. Dead. Just gently in. Just try and do it with the end.
I am doing it gently.
It doesn't look it. It looks like you're trying to ram it.
And now for the main event, we're going to fit the 183mm gun.
So happy. Go up a touch. I'll probably need a second set of eyes in here. Yeah. Right, we'll get them packs on. Never any more. Never any. That was it. Just top and bottom, or do you reckon we need the sides as well?
We've got used to that amount of length.
If it was 4 inches long, it was fine.
This is going to be so difficult.
Not sure I got enough length. No, I've normally got that problem. Oh yeah, she's still going.
Look at all that roof you got at the bottom.
It's another one of those jobs that we didn't think about was going to be an issue where everything's painted.
There's the tip in, we're alright.
It's easier. That centurion outfit would be jumped on now.
You know what this reminds me of? You Yeah, mine's not even close.
Or it's just not close. Go up.
No, that's not on anything yet. No, it's blinking.
It's catching on there because remember this was pushed in, wasn't it?
Oh, we need to go over that way.
Yeah. Got a small screwdriver. I'm thinking small screwdriver in there.
You reckon?
Or can you get that bar and go off the top of that to there?
Oh yeah. Make sure it's with snap on, because then when we bust it, we can have a little.
Yeah, because we're going to use it as a screwdriver.
100%.
If snap on and working. That's it.
That's it. Good job, Adam. Oh yeah, straight in.
Right, we can lower that down. So if you want to get the, how are we going to put the thing on? A little forklift or that?
What thing on?
The brace.
I can't put that on until I've painted round that lot, mate.
So we're going to put it in the shed without the brace.
Ambitious.
Going to get by?
Not yet. 2 seconds. Yes! Ambitious and successful. It's making a. It's,
Electric.
I could ram him.
yes!
That's not going to do it, mate. Go.
Wheel spin at the back here.
Don't forget how long the gun barrel is.
Oh, we can go it more. Well, I'll give you a gentle help.
Here it comes. It's going to be really gentle.
Now everything's been painted, it was time to fit the spade.
Got me through that side.
He's getting there. Let him struggle.
I'll go and get the rubber mat.
I can see the vein on the back of his neck. Shut up.
In vain.
Just go around there now.
Let's go, from what I can see from there, go back a bit.
Back a bit.
Yeah.
No, that's like no, that's perfectly lined up.
Off a little bit, Jack. Whoa.
Oh, what a blow. Much easier cooler fridge in the Arctic Circle, you know.
Right, let's put the box back underneath one side and then...
After that, me and Jack fitted up the track guards and bin boxes. At last, the vehicle's really starting to take shape now. We've almost finished one side. Got the bazooka plates to sand and paint and fit. The rear mudguard.
Hello.
We'll also need taking off, priming and painting. Exhaust pipes to fit. But we are now mostly complete externally.
Well, I hope you've all enjoyed. This is very slippy. I think I need to put a safety thing down here. Hope you've all enjoyed the video, and I would like to think in the next one, it's going to be nearly ready for Tank Fest. I'm thinking in the next video we should have all the tin work on, all painted, externally finished. Then I've just got a few little bits on the inside of the turret and a few bits regarding the fuel system and whatever to sort. And if we get time, we'll even get the driver's area all painted up nice, if we have time. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you again in another video.